Okay, important information we know in this problem is that fish bowls cost 25 bucks and then the goldfish are $2.25 each. We also know that Kale has $45 to spend. Question is, how many goldfish could he buy? Oh, and it's also important to know that he wants to buy a fish bowl, so he's getting one of them, and then some goldfish. So that's going to be our variable. We don't know how many goldfish he could buy. So let's go ahead and write that down. So x is going to represent the number of goldfish. So let's try to logic through this and figure out what inequality would help us. So when he's going shopping, he's buying one fish bowl, and then he's going to also buy some goldfish. So the total cost would be if we add those two things together. So we've got the price of the fish bowl and we've got the price of the actual fish. Now we know that the fish bowl is 25 bucks. So I'm just gonna put 25 in here. And then the goldfish cost $2.25 each. So what I'm gonna do there is I'm gonna do 2.25 times the number of goldfish, which we decided was gonna be our variable x. So for example, if they bought 10 goldfish, we would do 2.25 times 10. Now, both of those added together represents the total amount he's spending. But we know at the most he can spend is 45 bucks. So I'm going to say this whole thing has to be less than or equal to $45. Now, if we go ahead and solve this inequality, we'll figure out the value of x, the number of goldfish that he could buy.